Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can fix Brawl Stars not opening after the update. So the common reason why you're having this issue is maybe it might be the server issue. So the only thing that they can do here is basically just have to wait for a few minutes or a few hours after they fix the problem. So once you come back for a few hours, then you can check if it fixed the issue. And if not, if the problem persists, you want to go on the second option, which is by going to your phone settings. So on your mobile, you just have to find your phone settings. So once you open your phone settings, then here you just have to find the apps right from here, and then select on manage apps or apps management. So here basically you can use the search box at the top and we can search for Brawl Stars. And right here, first thing that you can do is tap on first stop at the bottom left hand corner. And then select on this clear data right here at the bottom right and select on clear cache. So once you do these few things, then it will fix the issue on your Brawl Stars. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.